Hi there, this is Laura from Aura Studio Space, and this is a quick tutorial on the Veritas Legal template. Now, I designed this template specifically for general practice law firms or any law firms or professionals or businesses in those areas who want to have a very well designed website that tells their visitors what they do and how they can help them. And if that is your case, this template is perfect for you. Before I get into the editor and show you how easy it is to customize everything, I want to quickly go through all the pages of the template so you can have an idea of everything that is included. First page is your home page. This is the front door of your business. Here is where you share your values, your practice areas. You can add testimonials. Here you have a section for a call to action. And down here, you can add your contact information and your location if that is something that you want to do. The second page is your About Us page, and here is where you can talk about the story of your business, your mission, and there's also a dedicated space for professional profiles, and you can add as many profiles as you want to this page. The third page is your services page, and this is a detailed menu of all of the practice areas that you offer. And here you can be as in depth as you want about the challenges that you solve. The fourth page is your cases page, and this is your social proof page. Here you can showcase your expertise and successful outcomes, and this is also great for building trust with your clients. The fifth page is your contact page, and here is where you can add your contact information, your operating hours, your location. Down here, you have a form that you can connect to your email so you can receive messages directly from your website to your email. And down here, you have a section for frequently asked questions so you can save time on common questions. Page 6 is an error page, so if people click on a link that is no longer available, they can remain inside of your website. Page 7 is your blog, and here you can share valuable information from your field, and it's also great for SEO. And the last page is your social links page, and you can use this to redirect people from social media to your services or your website. And you can save money on Linktree or any link in bio platforms by using this page. And you can keep the traffic from social media inside of your own branded website. And now we are here on the Wix editor, and I'm going to use the home page to show you how easy it is to move things around and customize everything. But first, I want to mention that if you go here on the side and you go down here to manage pages, you are going to find all the pages from your template. And you can change the name of the pages. You can move these pages up and down, and that will change the order that they have on the menu. And you can also hide a page, like in the case of the 404 page that is typically hidden from the side menu. And you can also add a page if that is something that you want to do. Also, if you come here to this plus sign, you'll find all the elements that you can add to your website. So if you want to add more text, more images, more buttons, just come here, click on it, and it will appear on your website. All right, let's get into it. First things first, if you want to edit text, just simply click on the text, go to edit text, and you can change the fonts, you can change the size, the color, and if you go to the text box, just click on it and you can edit your text. If you want to change this image, this background image, just click on the image, click change background, and you can upload your own images and even video. Now, down here, if you want to change the color of this background, just do the same, click on it and change background. For these images, it's the same process. Click on it and change image. And down here, you have your testimonials. If you want to edit them, just click on it and you can write your own testimonials. If you want to navigate through the testimonials, just click on these arrows. And if you want to add more, just click Manage Slides and you can duplicate a slide or add a new slide. And down here, you have a section for call to action that you can edit. And over here, you can add your contact information and your location if that is something that you want to do. Now, something very important that I want to mention is these lines. So these dotted lines are very important because if you place anything outside of those lines, it might not be visible in smaller screens like tablets. So what I suggest is that everything that is important, the most important text or piece of information, place it inside of those lines, and that way you can guarantee that all of your content is going to be visible on all screens. A little design trick that I can share with you is if you're not sure how things are going to look or you are a little afraid of messing things up, just duplicate a slide. So right click, duplicate, and you can edit this version and compare it to the main version. And this is like a safe way to edit your site without feeling like you are messing things around, which you are not. This is your website, so you can tweak and move things around as you want. Okay, let's delete this now. And another very, very important thing as well is your mobile view. So this is how your site looks on phone. And it's important that you come here every time you edit something on your main site, because sometimes on here things get moved around and they don't look as well as they do on the main site. So every time you add a text, every time you move anything or edit anything, come here and check things around, and if you need to move things, do it to make it look good for the phone view. Also very important, you can add elements to your mobile view and it won't affect your main view. So you can add text, images on here and they won't appear on your main site. Also, you can hide elements from your phone view. So if you click here on hide element, this element is going to be hidden on the mobile view, but it will still be visible on the main view. So that is a little design trick that you can use to make things look good for the phone view. And those are the basics on how to customize your template. There is more information on how to fully customize everything on your user's manual. And if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. I'm here to help you. I had a lot of fun creating this template, so I hope you like it. And thanks for watching this tutorial.